with a few rows. Terrace farming. Terrace farming is a method of growing crops on sides of hills or mountains. May planting on graduated terraces built into the slope. Contour berries. Contour berries are made by placing stone, grass, or soil along the contour. Tre- Trenches are made in front of the berries to collect water. Contour berries help in preventing soil degradation, which may happen due to rainwash. Shelter belts. Planting trees means that the roots hold soil and water and also as a windbreak, meaning topsoil is less vulnerable to erosion. Hi everyone, my name is Dilchikashti. I'm studying grade 8 in Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School. This is my SST video project. Soil degradation. Soil degradation is the decline in soil condition caused by its improper use or poor management, usually for agricultural, industrial, or urban purposes. It is a serious environmental problem. Soils are a fundamental natural resources and are the basics for all terrestrial life. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is a combination of practices used to protect the soil from degradation. First and foremost, soil conservation involves treating the soil as a living ecosystem. This means returning organic matter to the soil on a continual basis. So, soil conservation can be compared to preventive maintenance on a car. Methods of soil conservation. Mulching. Mulching is the process of covering soil around the plants with an organic or synthetic material to create a congenial condition for the plant growth, development, and efficient production. This practice helps to retain soil moisture, prevents weed growth, and enhances soil structure. Intercropping. Intercropping is growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same field in a definite pattern. A few rows of one crop alternate with.
Hi everyone, I'm Kalpana from grade 8A in Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today my topic is natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere that we call biosphere. Vegetation is the flora, wildlife is the fauna of a region. Vegetation provides shelter to animals and provides us with the timber and many other forest produce. The major vegetation types of the world are grouped as forest, grasslands, scrubs and tundra. In fact, grasslands often lie between the forests and deserts. Depending on how they are defined, grasslands account for between 20 and 40% of the world area. The importance of wildlife can be categorized as ecological, economic, and investigatory importance as well as conservation of biologically diversities, etc. The animals are poached for collection of and illegal trade of hides, skins, nails, teeth, horns, as well as feathers. Some of these animals are tiger, elephant, deer, black duck, crocodile, rhinoceros, and snow leopard, ostrich, and peacock. Awareness programs like social forestry and Vanamohastava should be encouraged at the regional and community level. Thank you.
Lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the atmosphere we call as biosphere. In the biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interrupted on each other for survival. This life supporting system is known as ecosystem. Biosphere serves series of protected areas linked through a global network intended to demonstrate the relationship between conservation and development. Wildlife includes animals, birds, insects, as well as the aquatic life forms. They provide us milk, meat, hides, and wool. Insects like bees provide us honey. Plants provide us oxygen we breathe, shelter, medicines. Paper is that essential for our studies, food, firewood, clothes, etc. The birds feed on insects and act as decomposers as well as vulture due to its ability to feed on dead livestock is an scavenger and considered a vital cleanser of the environment. So animals big or small are all are integral to maintaining balance in the ecosystem.
Hello everyone, I am Pradeepa from grade 8A. Today I am going to say about conservation of natural vegetation and wildlife. Introduction. Our country is rich in biodiversity with about 47,000 plant species, 15,000 flowering plant, 89,000 species of animals. Wildlife. Animal species which live in their natural habitats. Such animal species are not supported by humans for their growth and development. 66 billion years ago, extinction of many species in both marine and terrestrial habitats, including pterosaurs, mosasaurs, and other marine reptiles, many insects, and all non-avian dinosaurs. Mainly deforestation, hunting, overfishing, invasive special climate change, and nitrogen pollution. I have one doubt, during which time period many organisms die out. That means the Cretaceous, the extinction that occurred 65 million years ago wiped out some 50% of plants and animals. The event is so striking that it signals a major turning point in Earth history, making the end of the Glogenic period known as the Cretaceous and the beginning of Tertiary period. Which animal is the last animal on Earth? Tardigrades scientists say tardigrades will be the last animal on Earth. Thank you.